Having trouble with your Amazon Alexa saying, "I'm having trouble understanding right now." This often happens because of internet problems, temporary glitches, or issues with Amazon servers. In this video, I'll guide you through easy steps to fix this "I'm having trouble understanding right now" message in your Alexa. Let's jump right in. Before doing anything else, make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check the mute button. Most Echo devices have a microphone button. If you are seeing a red light on your device, then your device's mic is muted. Press the button to unmute it, and also make sure the volume on your Alexa device is turned up to a reasonable level. You can ask Alexa, volume up. Solution 2. Restart the Alexa Echo. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. After that, open the Alexa apps open. Tap the bulb icon, select your device, tap Settings, tap Wi-Fi network. Check the connection health. If this says, that means you have no issues with Wi-Fi. However, if this says poor, that means you have issues with internet, so you can restart your Wi-Fi to solve that problem. After following this, are you still facing the same issue? Then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Factory reset. Look at your Alexa device. Here you can see the volume down and the microphone off button. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device. Hold for 20 seconds. Light ring off and then back on in orange. This indicates that the reset process has begun, and your device is now in setup mode. Factory reset will erase all your personal information, settings, and connected smart home devices. You'll need to set up your Echo device again. That's how you fix the "I'm having trouble understanding right now" problem on your Alexa. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.